How to fix if Netflix has encountered an error. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can hopefully fix if Netflix says that you have encountered an error. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now keep in mind that this could be happening due to multiple reasons and not just one particular reason. So what you want to do is the very first thing you have to go ahead and check is the Netflix service. So when it says Netflix has encountered an error, it could most likely mean that the Netflix servers are down. So in the search box, search for the keyword called is Netflix down, and you can see it says Netflix is up. So this is from the official Netflix help itself. You can also go ahead and select down detector, which is my personal favorite, and see if you suddenly see a huge number of spike in the number of reports, which means that the Netflix app could be generally facing some kind of bugs or issues. However, if this doesn't fix the issue, then go ahead and open up settings. Once you open up settings, look for the option called apps over here. As you select apps, simply look for the app called Netflix. So just go ahead and just search for the Netflix app over here and tap on it. Once you tap on Netflix, go to storage, and I want you to clear the cache, which means it will clear all of the temporary files stored on this. Or else, if you don't have any type of downloads and so on, you can also clear the data, but keep in mind that it is going to log you out of your account and it is going to reset the application to the time which you installed it. If this doesn't help, the other thing you can do is to simply check for updates. So just go ahead and open up your respective app stores, and in the search box, you want to simply type in Netflix. Once you type in Netflix, if you see an update button right there next to the Netflix application, I want you to go ahead and simply update the Netflix app to the latest version. And hopefully one of these would have definitely solved your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.